Achievement unlocked. Let's see how to add custom advancements to Minecraft. Alright, we found ourselves back in Intelligent once more, and in this tutorial we're going to be looking at how you can add custom advancements to Minecraft using Fabric. And the interesting thing is here that this actually works the same way whether or not you'd be using Fabric or Forge, because we simply need to add JSON files into our data folder. So data folder and then our mod ID, in this case tutorial mod. We're going to right click new directory called advancements. Very important that this is written correctly. So definitely double check this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy over two files that I've already prepared right here. So there you go. This is once the dowsing rod and the tutorial underscore mod. So the tutorial underscore mod is actually the tab that is being displayed at the top when you have multiple advancements tabs, basically. And this works in the way that it doesn't have a parent. So if we take a look at this one has a parent, which is of course tutorial mod. So this is the tutorial mod advancement that is the parent, meaning that this comes after it and in the advancement tree. And because this doesn't have a parent, we can now have this as the first advancement, so to speak. What's also important is that the background here has to be done like this. So you actually have to specify textures, block, and all of the folders here. If you have, for example, if you want a block in the background, if you want something else, you can of course specify a different background here as well. And you can see we have a title, we have a description, also some, things you can basically set here. And then the interesting thing is the criteria, and then the requirements, and then the trigger and the conditions. So we're not going to take a look at how you can, make custom triggers or custom conditions, because that's definitely way more advanced. We're not going to do that in this tutorial. We're just going to take a look at the general gist of this JSON file, so as you can see. And then this one is pretty much almost the same. We're just taking a look at whether or not a certain item has been added in the inventory. Now, those JSON files, right? So where do those come from? Well, I can once again link you in the description below a great resource, which is the advancement generator from MacLeod GitHub.io, right? Absolutely amazing. You can basically put everything in here that you need to, and then with that you can basically just generate this file. Make sure that you are on 1.17 at the top here, because sometimes there are a few changes between the versions in the JSON files, and sometimes then it doesn't work. So this is basically how you need to do it, and then you can just say, oh no, I don't want the toast to show, but do show it in chat, and this should be hidden and all of that. So you can just change everything in here, everything that you really want to change, and that's pretty much a great resource. So link is in the description below, and just so that we have it, let's see if it works. Alright, we found ourselves in Minecraft, and as you can see, if we go in here, and I'm just going to take the Ruby out for the time being. There it is, the tutorial mod advancement. What's very important is that you should probably make a new world for this, because if you ever had either of those items that are the criteria or the condition for the advancement in your inventory, then most likely you're just going to get the advancement just given to you. So that's something very important. And if I now go to the advancements here, you can see there is this one, and then the dowsing rod. If it doesn't work, the rod doesn't like you. That's exactly right. So let's just take in, for example, the iron here, just so that we have another tab that unlocks. And if we take a look at it now, you can see the tutorial mod right here. And the background is the Ruby block texture, just like we've defined. So you can see that that's pretty much how it works. And if I take the dowsing rod now, I'm also going to get the dowsing rod advancement. And that's pretty much it. So that's actually all that there really is for the advancements, but it's pretty cool. Right, and that would already be it for this tutorial right here. I hope you found this useful and you learned something new. If you did, I would very much appreciate a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. So, yeah.